Hey guys, and welcome back to the first video of the new year on my channel, and I hope you all had a wonderful holidays. Today I'm back with this 1920s inspired nail design because I can't believe we're in the year 2020 already. I also love history and vintage fashion, so I wanted to collaborate that ideas with the new year. So if you want to know how I did these Art Deco Flapper Girl 1920s nails, keep watching. So I started off with applying 3 coats of this shimmering champagne colour. It is 50 Shimmering Years from the China Glaze Holiday Collection with the Sesame Street. And then with my Moyu London Time Travellers, the 1920s plate in 01, I just stamped this little flapper girl. And then with a skin colour polish, I just painted her face. And a bronze for her headband. And a pearly polish for the, well, I thought it was a pearl. And then with a makeup sponge and some top coat, I just applied that to the sponge. And then just dabbing it over my nail so that I could stamp that decal straight on my nail. When it was dried, obviously. And back in with that plate from Moyu London, I'm just stamping this gramophone and stamping that directly onto my middle finger. And then same plate and a black polish, I'm just stamping this Art Deco pattern. And I'm stamping that on my index and pinky fingers. And a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these 1920s flapper girl nails. I like these very much. I think that shimmering polish underneath just gives it an extra bit of sparkle. If you like these, give this video a huge thumbs up and leave a comment below. And subscribe. Subscribe good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.